This video is sponsored by AppMaker. Hey everyone, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything about WordPress. And today we're going to see the huge WordPress 5.9 update that came out in January 25. The first new feature is that there is now a full site editor. This is the biggest step for WordPress, using blocks to bring you easier, more flexible customization options. The end result is that you'll have more control than ever over your design of your website, and you don't need to mess around with any code. Now, to use this editor, go over to Appearances and head over to Editor. For now, this editor only works with the 2020 theme, but with further updates, more and more themes such as Astra will start supporting full site editor. Now, if you want to see a full site editor tutorial, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. Speaking of 2022, this theme brings new flexible design options, which is both lightweight and customizable. It provides a great playground for testing blocks, patterns, and templates. Before we head over to more amazing features, let's talk a bit about our sponsor. This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description. Another new feature that was added to this update was WordPress patterns and photos. Patterns are really amazing layouts that you can literally copy and paste to your website. As you can see, there are dozens of layouts to choose from. Make sure to check them out. The link to these websites will be linked in the description. Another similar feature that was added is photos. This too is a gallery of amazing images that you can add your website for free. As you can see, you can also add your own images to this gallery. If you use WordPress in more than one language, you'll get access to Language Switcher in login screen. It's a small change but definitely worthwhile. Additionally, lazy loading that was introduced in 5.5 version of WordPress has been tweaked and should perform better now. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.